How to buy King Pass on Ludo King. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to buy King Pass on Ludo King. Buying King Pass on Ludo King is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Ludo King game on your mobile device. Log in using your preferred method, for example Facebook, Google or as a guest if required. On the main menu, look for the King Pass banner or icon, usually found at the top or on the side. Tap on the King Pass option to open the King Pass screen. Review the benefits of the King Pass and the reward you will receive. Tap on the buy button or purchase King Pass. You will be redirected to your device app store, Google Play Store or Apple Store to complete the payment. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the purchase. Once the transaction is complete, the King Pass will be activated and you can start earning exclusive reward and bonuses as you play. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.